So, welcome all to Trade in the Zone YouTube channel. So, today we are going to see Gann method, the Gann intraday, the powerful strategy in English. Like I've already posted a Tamil version, and now I'm posting it in English. My English may be little bit some grammar mistakes also. Please forgive me for that. We'll go with the session, and I'm going to start. So, he's the man, the William Delport Gann. So he learned, I think, so he is the man William Delport Gann. So he learned different techniques from different countries. So astrology from India and ancient mathematics from Egypt, and he's a geometry like he's mixed everything like these three things, and he made a strategy. It is called a Gann strategy. It is only completely based on numbers. I'm taking it through numbers. I'm not taking other things from Gann. I'm just taking it numbers because you see the numbers, the square root. The square root is the main concept in Gann method. So each number square values will act as good support and resistance. That is what I learned from this Gann theory and Gann methods. So here will be the topics which I am going to cover. So first, how to calculate standard Gann numbers. The standard Gann numbers means it is standard numbers. It won't change market to market. The numbers will be remain same. And using the Gann number, I'll show you how to plot support and resistance. And the next topic will be Gann angle. So how to use this number as an angle. So I'll always say this is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. So the numbers how it will react as an angle. So that I'm going to explain. And the next will be a Gann number using a Gann angle, and final one will be a date, the Gann date. Gann date, how to use the Gann date also I'll teach you, and how to plan a trade setup. The final thing I'll come to that in the end of the session. How to take an entry and how to do average, and where we have to exit and where we have to give a stop loss. These things I'll definitely explain. So we'll start. So first we'll see how to calculate standard Gann numbers. So calculating Gann numbers, you just need to square the each number. You need to just square. Like one square means it is one, and 1.25 into 1.25. I'm squaring both numbers. We are getting 1.56 the number, and the next number 1.5 and 1.75 and 2. So why I am taking 2.25, 5 and 75 and 2. These are the major degree numbers. So from 1 to 0.25 it is a 1 degree, and from 0.25 to 5.5 it is the next degree, and from zero point 0.5 to 0.75 the next degree, and the final will be 2. So generally, if price moves from 1 rupee, it will travel like this. Once reached 2, then the zone will be shifted to 2 to 3. So like that, it will keep on moving. So this is the method we are going to teach you. So squaring the numbers, we'll get an answer. That is a Gann numbers. These are all Gann numbers. I have almost I have worked out till 1 lakh. I'll show you that. So this is how it is. So I've started from 0. So from 0 it will travel till 1, and from 1 it is till 4. So here I'm square rooting 1, and it is 1, and here I'm taking a square root number of, this is 1.125 and 1. I think you are seeing this. So this is how it will be like 0. I'm starting from 0, and the value goes to till 1. So each number, this is already derived. So there is no Gann formula here. This is from this I'm going to work out the each numbers. So 1, now it is 1 square root, it is 1, and 1.25 0.06. I'm taking 2 times. That means you will get a value of 1.13. So again 1 plus 1.0.25, then 1.25. So here we are multiplying both, like 1.25 into 1.25. So square root value, this is how. This is how the complete numbers are. So I have mentioned red, blue, and the initial value will be same red. So this is also will be red. This is none other than the last number, the same value. So this is how I calculated this Gann standard numbers. These are the standard numbers. It won't change. For my method, it won't change. So there are different Gann method and different Gann trading strategies. But as per me, this is how I created. So this is how I do trade by using this numbers. We'll move to next. So how to plot support and resistance by using the scan numbers. So the scan numbers is going to act as a support and resistance. So to plot, I'll show you how to plot it in script. See, the main thing is Gann method. I use this method only in index and commodity, not to the stocks. Stocks also you can use, but it won't work like index and commodity, since the stocks will not have that much of movement in the intraday. So only index will move and commodity will move. I mainly suggest this method for crude oil because I've already did so many back test in the crude oil, and even I took more live trades, not a paper trade. I've taken a real trade on this method. I have a success ratio of 65 to 85 percentage. Very rarely it will hit stop loss, and even if it stop loss also, I know what to do next. So we'll see this interesting topic the further going on. So I'll show you how to plot support and resistance now. In crude oil only I'll show you. So now I'll show you how to plot support and resistance by using Gann numbers. So see, now crude oil trading at 2574. So we'll go nearby support and resistance. So 2574 the current closing price. 200512. I'll make it round up. Yes, 2550. From we'll go from this 2500 range. So first number it is in red. So this I'll keep it as a support because price trading about 2500. So I'm plotting first 2500 in red. 2500 in red color. Yes. So next the number will be in blue. So I'll tell you why the blue reds are. First I'll plot the numbers. So 2500 the first number, 2513 is the second blue line, where I'll draw 2015. I think not 15, 13. So I'll make it this blue. Like this I'll keep on plotting till 2700 will plot. 2500 to 2700 will plot it. So like this we have to plot support and resistance. 2500 the red line. So red represent support and resistance. Now price trading above 2500, so it is support, and the next support 2525 and 2550 and 2576, 2601. Now 2601 act as a resistance because price trading below 2601. And why the blue lines are, the blue lines are for retracement. So we have to average our position when we take entry at red line. So we are going to take entries only at red line, so red number, and we are going to average it at blue, only in blue, no other places. So even if 5 points down and 10 points down, we used to do average. Here it is not like that. So once price reach 2550, then average price will be 2538. The stop loss will be the next line that I'll explain you. So like this we have to plot support and resistance. Hope everyone now. So we have plotted support and resistance by using Gann number, and the red value will be red line, and blue will be blue, and next red will be red. So this is how we have to plot support and resistance by using Gann number. Now we'll move on to the next topic. So how to use this number as a Gann? Like the numbers are there. So how to see it is an angle. So angle means the rotation. The circle going to rotate 360 degree. So 360 degree. How we are going to uh, place it in the support and resistance part. So I'll tell you how. So it is just an example only. It is not a exact values. So, for example, I am taking this as a 0 degree. So, I'll tell you how to take 0 degree later. So, I'll just explaining you so how to plot degrees in the line. Okay, fine. We'll go one by one. This I'm taking as a 0. For example, this 2500 I'm taking as a 0. Then the first blue line will be 45 degree. So this we no need to consider 45 degree. I'm just telling why this blue line is. So the next will be 90 degree. The next red will be 90 degree, and the next red will be 180. The next red is 270, and the final red will be 360. So this won't remain same for all. Like just I'm telling how to take a degree values. So every red line act as a 90 degree, and every blue line act as a 45 degree multiplication of 45 degree. So this is how we have to fix our degrees. So I'll tell you where to fix a zero. That is the next topic will be where to fix a zero. So this is how we plot degrees by using the lines. So first line I'm just giving as a 0. Then the next 90 degree will be above the this red. The next red will be 90, and next red will be 180, and next red will be 270, and final red will be 360. So again, the next red line goes. So the next red line is at 2627. The next red is 2027, 627. So again here the blue line is 2614. So here we have what we have to do. Then again after 360 the circle is going to go up the next zone. That means either it is a 0 degree or a 360 degree. So again, so 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. After one successful completion of this circle, the next circle same. The 90 will go above, and 180, 270, 360. The next circle will start. So either it is a 360 degree or a 0 degree. 360 for this below circle and 0 for above circle. So we have covered calculating the numbers and plotting support and resistance, and how to use angles with numbers, and how to trade Gann numbers by using Gann angles. So we'll see the next topic by how to use the numbers and angles by. So we have covered how to calculate the standard numbers and how to plot the support and resistance by using Gann number, how to use Gann angle with numbers, and finally we are coming to our trading part. So how to trade in Gann numbers by using these angles, this 90, 180, 270, by using these angles, how to take a trade. So we have covered this first, calculating the number, and the next plotting. So here I'll explain why I've taken 90, 180 and 270 these values. So when I square root the example, I'll tell you it is not exactly right the current price of crude 3600. I'm just square rooting 3600. The square root value is 60. So when I multiple 60 into 60, the answer will be 3600. So the value of 3600 will goes 60, 60, 60. That means 60 is the midpoint of the circle. Okay, 60, 180 degree, no? So it is a midpoint of the circle. So it rotate above and below. You know that from 0 to 180 and 180 to 360. So 60 number will be the half circle and 60 number will be the full circle. So if I cut it, 90 degree will be 30 number and 45 degree will be 50 number. So this is how I have taken it for a angle conversion. So when we square rooting the any number, like if you are square rooting any number, you will get a value. That is now I am getting it for 3660. So for 60, I am taking it as a 180 degree. That means the half circle is completed by rotating 60 points. If the stocks trading or crude trading at 3600 range. So the full cycle will get completed once the 120 points move. So entire circle completed by using 120 points. That means I'm separating into 4. 90 degree will be 30 and 180 degree will be 60, 270 degree will be 90 and 360 will be 120 points. So square rooting the value I'm taking it as a 180 degree and the full circle will be 120 numbers. The complete circle will be 120 numbers and half circle is 60. That is a square root value of current market price or current stock price. So the next topic. So how the angle momentum will be. See 90. The first red will be 90 and above that 180 and 270 and 360. So when price opens at 0, it will rotate like this only. So it will go to 90 first. If the sellers are strong, definitely it will come down to the minus 90. So it will come down minus 90 or 0. So until it hit 180 degree, we are not going to buy. Until the price hit minus 180 degree, we are not going to sell. So this is a range bound market. So once price open at 0, it travels above 90, travel to the up to 90 and again it will come to below 90. So the circle goes like this. So if it is trading at 1 rupee, it will go to 10 rupee, again it will come to 0 and again minus 10, again it will go up. So when this range will be breakout, the breakout will happen. So once stock hit 180 degree, the breakout it has happened already. So it is going to move the next number 270 degree. So we have to take a sell entry at 90 degree and we have to keep a stop loss at 180 degree. So again, if 180 degree hits, the circle it is going to change. Now they'll keep a 180 degree as a midpoint. The circle goes above that number. So 270 to 90. If it 360, it will go to next level. That I'll draw and I'll show you how it will work in a market. Now, see, I'll just explain you with example. So I said, I told you already, this I'm keeping as a 0. This is going to be 90. So the next 75, this red line also I'll plot it. See, in case we have decided 2500 as 0 degree, then price it will move like this. So I'll draw and show you that circle. So the circle will goes like this. So as I said, 0 is a midpoint. The first circle goes above the 0 and it will touch 90. Again it will come back to minus 90. This is the range bound market. So I think you all experience this range bound market. Sometimes it will trade between the 50 numbers for sometimes. So if I am keeping this 2500 as a 0, then first sell at 90 degree and buy at minus 90 degree. So here I have to maintain a stop loss. So once the stop loss hit, this circle is going to go next. So to break out, I'm taking this as a stop loss. The next number is a stop loss. I'm just keeping it. Price not at it, so it is a stop loss. And again, if it is go down 2450, will be a stop loss. So again, this is stop loss for buy. I'll change the color. It will be like good to have a look. Sell. I'm changing it. This as stop loss. Always red. Some other color for sell. Okay. I'm going to sell here and I'm going to buy here. So when the market opens in my group, I used to text zero value. So today my zero value is 2500 means that means I have to take a sell entry at plus 90 and I have to take a buy entry at minus 90. So I have to maintain a stop loss at 180 degree. So for sell above the value and for a buy below the value. So this is how I take. So what I have to do in case stop loss hit. So in case stop loss hit, the circle change to next zone. That means the same circle it is going to go up. So now 180 is a mid value. Now the 180 is a mid value. The situation that entry has been changed. Now I have to buy at this level. I have to sell at this level. The stop loss will be 360 degree and here the stop loss is 0 degree. 0 means that is now for this zone it is 0 and for this zone it is 360. So the next zone shifted. So now I am selling at 270 degree and buying at 90 degree. So what I will do in case stop loss hit, in case the price moves directly up and stop loss hit, I'll wait for the retest to buy at 90 degree. I'll buy here and I'll wait for this target 270. So this is how my trading setup will be for crude oil. If I am taking a trade, this is how my trade setup in crude oil. I let my stop loss to hit at 180 degree in case price moving up, not even 1 point less or more. It has to hit exactly 2550, not even 2549. It has to trigger 2550. So then I'll take a entry at 90 degree and I'll wait for 270 degree. So the next question is, what happens if price moves directly to 270 degree? So it started here and it directly went to 270 degree. So there is no retest. We don't get option to get a buy at retest since we lost a stop loss. So we didn't get entry. I suggest don't sell it 270 degree when price is moving without giving a retracement. If you going for a sell, there is a more chance of the stop loss getting triggered at 360 degree. There is more chance if price moving straight line. So like that, if it is moved, then definitely there is a chance to get stop loss it. So always wait for a retest. Always wait for a retest and take a buy entry when price moving upward. When price moving down, the same scenario. If it to the 180 degree, then I'm going to sell at 90 degree. Depends the number. So this is going to be 270. The next number is 2400. I think 401. 2426 is the next number. 26. So this is going to be a 360 degree. In case sell market, the same scenario. If it 180 stop loss, the next circle goes like this. So what I have to do? My stop loss hit. Again, I'm waiting for a retest sell at 90. I'm selling at 90, and the target is 270. So I'm booking here. So I lost 25 points here, and I made 50 points here. So if you are a small trader, if you don't want to lose much, then if stop loss it takes reaches sell entry and book it 1 is to 1. Your MTM will be 0. So we are going without loss. Only brokerage may go. Let it go. Well, our concept is very simple. Either green or 0. Our MTM should be green or 0. This is a concept. So we know where to take an entry now, where to keep a stop loss now, and how to trade, how to take a entries when stop loss hit. So is there any doubt? So we'll see in yesterday market. So how the Gann number reacted. So before that, I need to teach you how to take a zero value. That is very important. How to take a zero value before going to live market like back test. We have to fix our zero value. So how to fix zero value? It is a very important thing. So you should not take any value as a zero, because you have to take zero as a very carefully. You have to take a zero. Otherwise, the both sides stop loss will hit. So if you take zero value wrong, then both sides the stop loss will be triggered. So zero, it is very important. So we'll see how to take zero value by taking yesterday market as an example. So I'll keep 5 minute chart. I'll keep 5 minute chart because I'm always trade with 5 minute chart. Yeah, I'll go with yesterday market move, how it was, and I have taken a zero value. That we will see now. So this is yesterday market. I used to keep 5 minute chart. The simple concept for taking zero. So for taking a zero, there is a rule. In case market open gap down or gap up at upper circuit or lower circuit, the price will not go above or below that level. So we don't have any trader at the lower circuit lock or upper circuit lock when the market open huge gap up or gap down. That scenario, we have to wait till the first trade should get executed. That means if only the red candle, the long red candle, if it is coming, at least we need a price action. The price action should be there. Either one buyer or seller, they have to come in. So if price action happen, definitely you will get wick like this. Otherwise you will not get wick. Only lower circuit you will not get a wick. It will keep on go down. So if we have to see the 5 minutes closing as per my strategy, and I always suggest take 1 minute also for support. So if you're taking a 1 minute for support, that here. So yeah, the 1 minute finally. See the 1 minute, the trade was executed here after a long gap down. So around 50 point, around 50 point here the price action happened. So first candles start trading at this level. So now what I have to do for taking a zero, what I have to consider. So either 1 minute or 5 minutes. I always suggest 1 minute is best. Even if 5 minutes candle also closed at this levels, then it will be very good chance to take a entries. See whatever the scenario it happened, it is every day it will not close exactly at zero, exactly at the red line. It will go close sometime below. It will open here and it will close below this blue line, and it will open here and it will close the like this. So these are all different scenarios. That also I'll explain you where how I have to take a zero in that situations. So here we'll see the first 1 minute candle closed. This is the first 1 minute candle, and this was closed at this level. Means the closing price is 2517. So I'm going to chart 2517 is the closing price. So here I'm seeing 2517 where it is. So 2517. So 2517 means 2513 the value is here. Both the values are highlighted in green. So 2513 is the value and 2519 is the next value. So the price closed at 2517. So this is 1 minute candle closing. So we'll see 5 minutes candle closing where it happened. So I'll keep 5 minute chart. So I'll see where the price closed. 5 minutes candle closed. The 5 minutes candle closed at 16.2516. So almost 1 point. So least value is highest value is 1 point, sorry, 2517. So least value is 2516. So anyway, this is between these two numbers. That means if the price closes below 2513, below 2513, that means 2512, 2512, that means the zero we have to take it 2500, because the blue line is a border for the zones, the next zones. That means if price close 2513 and above, the zero value is 2525. If price closing below 2513, then the zero value is 2500. So yesterday in our case, the price closed 2516 and 17. So both are inside this blue line. So above this blue line. That means the zero value is 2525. Still the price closed very near to blue line. The market it is going to be volatile. Market going to be volatile. They definitely will get a good trade on that day because it is very close. Below 19 it is closing. So 2519 below it is closing, then it will come to a blue line closing entry. So 2005 19 and 5 20 21 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 up to 31, it is exactly 0, it is 2525, we can go sure entries. And if price closes near blue line, then we have to be careful, the market it is going to be volatile. So that case definitely you can see the blue line closing, it will do its job. Once it is closed near blue line, definitely huge volatile will be expected. Even stop loss also both sides can be taken out. So here now you are clear I think. So how to take a zero, so again I'll tell you. So 5 minutes and 1 minute candle closed 2516 and 2517. So I'm taking the price closed above this blue line and below this blue line, means this is a zero. If price would have closed below this blue line, then I am going to take this as a zero. Sometimes 5 minutes candle open here and it will close here. Then both the values are zero. This day you have to avoid your trade by using Gann numbers. There is no sure zero value, so we are not going to take trade with help of Gann numbers. Only the candle has to close below, sorry, between this blue and this blue. Then only we are going to execute our trades. Otherwise, we are not going to execute our trades. Even if price closes at blue, also fine. But we have to be careful. But we can execute our trades. In case price opened here and closed this below this blue line, definitely we have to avoid our trade. We should not take a trade. So keep it in mind and trade accordingly. Otherwise, you will be under loss. That is for very sure. I have already experienced it and I have already taken a back test. So in experience, I'm telling, just don't try with your hard-earned money. because we have lost and we have learned. So again, you don't do that. Now we are clear with zero, I think. So next we are going to see our entry, average, target, stop loss, where to fix entry, where to do average, where to keep a target, and where to keep stop loss. So I'll explain by taking yesterday as an example. So we have fixed our zero here. Just taking this degree values. So this is our 02525. Even this value is updated in our telegram channel, and this is minus 90 degree and minus 180 degree and minus 270 degree. So many questions regarding this 270 degree. Why 270 degree? So for the reason only I have drawn this circle. Why I have to take next at 270, not at 180 degree. The reason only I have plotted this circle. See, now this is my trade setup. So yesterday my trade setup was like this. So here I am going to sell 90, I am going to buy, and again 270, and I am keeping this as 360. So my initial setup was buy here and sell here, and the stop loss 180 degree, and below this is my stop loss. So as per our Gann method, I have taken a buy at 2500. Here I have taken a buy. This is the rule. We have to take a buy at 90. So I am maintaining 180 as a stop loss. The price once hit this level, it started move up, but it couldn't reach our target. It is reversed. So if a normal trader they would have bought here, definitely they scalpers 10 points we can book, 15 points also we can book. 15 point almost reached. Again it came down and hit our stop loss. Yes, it is failed. The method not failed, but the 90-degree buy was failed. So what we have to do? Either the circle is changed now. Now the circle is changed to bottom. So what I said earlier, you can remember that the price is not coming down vertically. You observe carefully. The price started down and it given a retracement then came down. It is near to our first target. So we can execute our 270 buy. That is for sure because price not came vertically to 270 degree. It has given some retracement. Finally it came down. So I'm going buy with 270 degree because I've lost already 25 points. I'm going to require my 25 points. So what I have to do? I have to place a buy order at 270 and I'm placing a stop loss at 360. So again I'm selling at the 90-degree was here. So let it be 90-degree, yes. And the stop loss is 0 degree. Why I am keeping this as a sell entry? See, the circle comes here. Yes. So this is the first circle, and we have lost our stop loss. And now we have taken a buy. So the price start moving up. As per my suggestion, you are taken buy at 2450. Then here you lost 25 points. That means your stop loss is you are in 25-point loss. So here I am taking entry. The price moved directly to 25 points. So my MTM is 0 now. There is no loss for me. In my strategy, there is no loss for me. I have made it 0. I'm just giving a brokerage to broker. So if I want to hold it for the next target, definitely I would have ordered it. Since this was a bottom, the technical reason is the price already taken a support at this level, and as soon as price hit this 2500, it's given three continuous green candles. So as per candlestick pattern, this is three white shoulders and one red and eye broken and gone up. So I would have been in buy side till evening, and even I have clearly messaged in group the low was registered at 2450 because the reversal happened. So I have seen a reversal pattern, the head and shoulder pattern. This was the pattern. So neck lamps also break. So this was the low. It is registered at 3:30 or 3:15. I have messaged the low was registered. So we have to keep on buy in every dips until the price hits 2426. The stop loss. So this was my trade on Friday. I've shared my entry detail also. Even my profit screenshot, I'm not going to share anymore at the group because I've stopped so very long time back. Since the so many subscribers are getting greedy by seeing the chart, even loss also I have posted, but loss will be very less here. So 10 out of like only if you are trading 10 days, your loss will be 3 days. 7 days you are will be in green MTM. So that is for very sure because I'm trading it every day. Every day I'm taking entry and every day I'm taking it. Only the day I don't trade with Gann, the price in case break this blue line and closed. Open here and closed here. I'll not take a trade. I'll just watch. I'll just watch or I'll take entry with other some technical support like this head and shoulder or bottoms, double bottoms. Like this, I'll take a support and I'll go for a trade. I'll not use Gann method. So I think now you are clear. So initially we sold, sorry, we bought here and our stop loss get triggered. So again we are buying at 270 degrees since the price given the retracements. It has not directly reached 270, it is giving retracement. So that means some buyers are there. So definitely 270 will help us to recover our loss. So here the stop loss got triggered. So I'm waiting for this buy. The exactly buy taken at 252450. The day low was 252450 only. I have taken a trade. Few of the subscribers also placed entry, but those values are not triggered since the volume was high on that level. So it is not triggered. So price started moved up. So I have closed my position here. I have closed my position at here. Again, I bought here. Again, I closed here. So I've made it my MTM zero, and I made a profit also on Friday. So So this is how I take a trade with crude, Gann angles and Gann method. So here I'm going to buy, I'm keeping a stop loss at 180. In case if stop loss hit, I'm going to buy at 270 degree. Only the condition the price has to give us some retracement, some breathe. Otherwise I'll not buy at 270 also because trend will be down. So vertically the price will fall. So simply I lose second stop loss also. So for that I won't give a chance. So I've taken a buy. The price continuously gone up. So we'll see where the market gone one by one. So the next circle, since I'm selling at here, see again taken a sell, reach target, again taken a sell, reached first target. See if you are selling also you are getting profit here because I don't sell since the price given a reversal pattern, reversal formation breakout. So I don't sell, but sell also it is given 25 points first time, 25 points second time. So here I'll tell you the average method. Here I'll teach you. See the price taken sell at here, it started moved up. So what we have to do? Then we have to sell it again at this blue line. This is average entry. This blue line entry, we have to close at this blue line because 1 is to 1. The red line entry, we have to wait for the red line and we have to close. See the price perfectly hit 245, 2475, 2475. Why? Because like us, there are so many traders are waiting at this level to buy. So we are trading with legends. They are using the almost same method, not exactly this method. So the prices start bouncing up. Even you can see so many places this may happen. The pin bar and all, it will create at our support level. The reason is there are so many buy, so the price got triggered. See now the stop loss hit. In the selling case, the stop loss was hit. What we have to do? Then the circle moves to above level, the next level. The circle moving to next level means the price is trying to go 2550 now. Since the stop loss hit, it is trying to go up. Yes, it moved up. It's gone up directly. From here, the stop loss get triggered and given a retracement, it went up. Again, I'll tell you the same method. Here we can take a sell entry. Why? Because the stop loss get triggered and given a retracement, then it is moving up. So I can take a sell entry at here and I can do average at here. I can keep this as stop loss. Since the circle is going to end here and again it has to come down. So as we expected, the price taken a sell entry and it came down till first target and even further down, but our target not reached. Since it is looking bullish, so we would have made another 25 points here. So we can keep on trading at this level, this Gann method. But I always suggest if you take 1:1 profit, please come out from the market. That is enough for the day. So don't wait for a big. It may take the whatever profit you have taken. Also, I'll tell you the Gann date. So Gann dates are like already Gann derived this date and he has posted in his website in his blogs and there we can go and download it. These dates are major reversal dates. So if price coming down on that day, it may get reversed. That is the only simple concept. So you mark these dates in your chart and you can wait for the reversal. On example, I'll show you in Nifty for a quick. Yes, there are so many lines. These are all Gann lines, and the lines which have plotted here, you can see now the red one, pink one, and green one. These are all date reversal dates. Now we are at June 5. We are at June 5, nearby June 5, and May 22nd. It is already given a bottom. Nifty, you can check. May 22nd, it is given a bottom. Right now, it is trading around 600 point up from the bottom on that day given a bottom and it is trading around 600 point up. Again I'm expecting the reversal at on 5th June. I'm expecting a reversal. It may be a buy reversal or sell reversal. That you can see that because since it has moved to 600 point up, it may price may come down 300 to 400 point down. Again it will start move up from June 5th, or if it is making a top on June 5th, then the price is going to fall for next 15 days. Every 15 days the date will be there. So you just plot like this and you can see the bottoms and tops. So this was the example. 22nd May, this is the 22nd May. The low was 8968 and this low not broken it. So around 600 point it is trading out. Each date is it is like that only. So this was 30th April and 30th April top was, sorry, 4th May the top was not broken, it made low. Some around 200 300 points you will get a profit if you are working with the technical analysis. Then if this day reversal happen, definitely you can wait for your targets as per your technical analysis. So this is how we have to use Gann dates. The date is already given, even it is posted in our Telegram group. You can take this and even this Excel sheet has Gann date. So this has that Gann date. So that dates are mentioned. You can mark the dates and you can wait for a reversal on that day. If reversal can be forming on that day or one day before or one day after, you can go with that trend. Whether if it is going up, then you buy on dips. If it is coming down, you do sell on rise until the top or bottom get break. So here we close our session now. So hope everyone understand this Gann method. This I'm going to post it in our YouTube channel very soon, and you can watch. If any doubt, you can ping me personally. I have left my number at our Trade in the Zone YouTube channel, and also Trade in the Zone. We have opened a equity calls, equity position calls channel. Uh, that is first trade in the zone, it is our own channel, and equity calls I have made it same in the name of equity calls only. So there you can see the positional stocks. It is like this. So I have posted this like this breakout entries that you can take once the price break that levels. This is for a positional swing, 1 week or 2 week the target may get reached. So thank you all.